Simple ingredients, fresh prawns and a little patience. That's all you need to make these delicious prawns croquettes that are perfect for any time of the day. Crispy outside and soft inside, they are always a favorite at home. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have 11 prawns. They are cleaned, deveined and washed. Add salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Fresh prawns always give the best flavor for this recipe. Next I'm adding little Goan vinegar. We will mix this well. We will keep this aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Then we'll place a pan on medium flame, heat some oil in it. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Add little salt. Next goes in 1 chopped tomato, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the tomatoes become soft and the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Next we will add half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, less than half tablespoon of garam masala powder, one tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix well. We will transfer this into a bowl. In the same pan, add the marinated prawns. Add some water. Cover with the lid and let it cook. Once one side of the prawns is cooked, flip the prawns to cook the other side also. Once the prawns are cooked, do not cover with the lid, let the water dry completely. Then turn off the flame and transfer the prawns into the bowl. Now I am adding some chopped coriander leaves. We will mix this well and let it cool. Here I have boiled 1 potato. I will peel and mash it. Now we will transfer the ingredients from the bowl into a mixer jar. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. We will transfer it into a bowl. Now I am adding some grated cheese, mashed potato, two tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix it. Now I am adding little veg stock powder and will mix this well. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, beat well. Add 2 teaspoons of the beaten egg to the prawns mixture. Mix everything well so the flavors combine nicely. Grease your palms with little oil. Take portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into croquettes. Ensure that the croquettes are firm and smooth without any cracks so that they fry properly. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Dip the croquettes in the beaten egg. Then coat with the semolina and breadcrumbs mixture. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the croquettes on medium flame. Look at these beautiful prawns croquettes, perfectly golden and crispy outside while staying soft and flavorful inside. The prawns give a lovely seafood taste and the small additions inside make every bite even more delicious. Fresh, warm and homemade. These are perfect for any time of the day. And just like that, our prawns croquettes are ready. Crispy, flavorful and absolutely satisfying. Homemade snacks like this always bring so much joy to the table. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Noila Creations for more delicious recipes. Whenever I want to make a special homemade snack with prawns, this is one of my favorite recipes. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.